So what is up, guys? We are a fresh week. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you give the video a like. Share it with your friends, family, pets, whoever. And yeah, follow along all the builds. We're heading to our welding class now, our weekly welding class. So let's go. Guys, we are 9:20. Welding course is over. We're heading down to Aaron to get these brakes finally done. Let's go. Really do see the strangest things. Just chilling. What the... Aaron has me on clean-up duty while he rebuilds the calipers, so I'm just pulling all this crap out of the car that's stuck to the carpets, keeping all the likes of these. Sometimes you can't get them. Now Aaron just moving the old 300, running nice and soundly with no petrol. So yeah, the brakes are done, just had them in the car. We'll get them back to the shed and have a look at them then. So I wanted to have a close look at this engine bay because it looks stupid good. Did you repaint the engine bay when it was out? Oh, it was black, wasn't it? Shit, yeah. Then someone took the engine out to fix it. But yeah, it looks really good. So clean. But yeah, you can see from here how much wider it is on the back. It's stupid. Even the front is a bit wider. You need bigger wheels. It's savage though. It looks well cool. Can't wait to see it all one colour. So yeah guys, Aaron had to leg it. He's locking up there now. I'm just heading home myself. So yeah, the brakes are done. We just need to put the other little seals in the middle of them, stick the bolts in them, get the pads in them, get the discs on the car and fit them. So yeah, I'm driving. It's really late, so I'm gonna get off the phone and head home, and we'll come back tomorrow. So guys, brake calipers. Here's one I made earlier. So now all we have to do is turn that into this, and to turn that into this, we have to use that to paint this, and then put that on that to make it look like that. So yeah, they look a bit mangled now, but Aaron done all new pistons, new everything last night, all nice minty fresh. We got that other bleed nipple out there, so all I had to do, give this caliper a quick wire brush, a degrease, and then give it a lick of paint, take off everything that I need, put all new stuff in, put them together, put the pads in, put the lines on, and then fit them to the Mini. In this video, finally, the Mini is gonna be done. And this one is all painted, just drying out here. And once that's dry, we'll stick it all together, and yeah, I can't wait.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear.
Finally, the brakes are rebuilt and I'm very happy. One is a bit darker than the other. This is the one that was painted like 2 or 3 days ago, and this is the one that got painted today, so obviously one is dirtier than the other. I'll give them a quick wipe over, and yeah, let's get these fitted to the Mini finally.
My mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost.
So that's one side on. I just have this loosely sitting there, same as this one. I'm not going to do them today because it's literally starting to rain, so I'm just going to jump on the other side and get all this on the other side. Then hopefully later I can come back out and do it all.
Bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug. Feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up.
Now that's both sides on. As you can see, it's raining, so I know it was going to rain. Lines are on all tight, so they're ready to bleed. I do need to do the back lines, which are chilling there for tomorrow maybe, because I'm not doing them now. It's getting dark, it's wet, and they can wait until tomorrow. So yeah, on the rear, they're basically just bolt on, bolt off. I want to take these off, give them a clean. This one spins freely and there's no catching, so the other side is a little bit stiffer, so it's really hard to turn. So yeah, it's a bit stiffer, but once I take it off, give everything a clean, grease everything up, give it all a tidy under here, and it should be good. Change the lines, bleed the brakes, drive the car. Then I have to put all this back together, fix the steering wheel, tighten all up down there, put the seat back in, and we're good.
That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Right, yo guys, so we have rain forecasted for the next few days, so I'm not going to get at the Mini for a few days to bleed the brakes, fit the rear lines and get everything else done, buttoned up. There's a few bits and pieces that I need to replace. I found one of the fuel lines are rubbing on the boot for the steering, and that's what's making it get a bit caught up. So I'm going to remove that fuel line, run a rubber hose down underneath the car. I'm going to snip where the fuel line halfway down and run a rubber one to it, so then I can run it away from the actual the rubber boot. So yeah, there's plenty to do, loads of tidying up to do. That car show is in like 3 weeks, I think it is. So yeah, hopefully we have the Mini all done and ready for that. So we'll leave it at here for now. We'll come back in the next video with all of that stuff getting done. Hopefully it's absolutely bucketing down now. Like, it's literally so miserable out. So yeah, I really do appreciate everyone for watching. If you've made it to the end, comment, leave a nice comment, a brutal comment. Let me know if you like the brakes, if you don't like the brakes, if you like the car, if you don't like the car, what we're doing at the garage. I love hearing all the comments, good or bad. Like, that's how the channel works. That's what I'm doing it for. Doing it for myself and you, whoever watches. So yeah, let me know you're watching. Comment below, give the video a like, make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, share with your mates, your pets, aunties, uncles, whatever you want. Make sure you share it and make sure you're subscribed. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out, and don't forget, be dedicated. Even in this shitty weather, we're getting it done, garage will be done eventually, and we will be doing loads of shit from the garage then. Loads of stuff, loads of nice little projects as well. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share. Peace out. See you in the next one. Be dedicated.